Guys.
No idea what they were, and Grace.
Oh.
Get up! No! Corey, you're gonna kill me! I don't want you no more! Please don't do that.
He's just laughing, he's just talking.
Tell that bitch to get in the cage. Get in the cage. I don't want Corey, stop or I'll kill my vagina! Corey, I'm like, stop it! Corey, put it away! I don't like it no more.
People are gonna think that you're murdering.
No, I don't like it no more. Please take the birdie. Get off my bag!
People are gonna think that someone's like killing you.
Corey, put the bird away. Put it away.
She got a Metro card, which means she's
Ow.
And so I just don't know what yet. So I am like, I can't even believe it. I just can't even believe it.
Off of the bag. Stop! Corey! Corey, get the bird! Get the bird. Get the bird. I'm not joking. I don't want it on my bird.
I don't want it on my bird.
Corey, stop!
Wait.
That's it. That's your fault.
Wait. I want to move.